In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily create an account on the platform WEEX. So to create your account, you simply go down to the first link in the video description, then you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can also get up to $30,000 in welcome bonuses. Right after the sign up, you can go to the reward center and pick up your first bonuses directly after the sign up. Also after you transferred some money to your futures account and after reaching certain trading volume milestones, which can lead up to a total of $30,000. To create your account, then simply enter your email address right here and click on sign up and receive a new user gift. Then also set a password and you pretty much create your account within just a few seconds, or which is even quicker, just use your Google account down here and therefore you can also create your account. Once you have created your account, you will get to this page right here and you can directly start by depositing crypto and trade as much as you want in here. Because WEEX is a KYC free platform, you do not have to provide any personal information or ID verification. To pick up your best sign up bonus, simply go up here to the rewards hub and click on welcome pack. And if you need more tutorials, I have many more videos on my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.